Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how we can optimize our Instagram bio. So let's get to it. Here I have opened my Instagram and we're going to practice how to optimize our Instagram bio. So the first thing we're going to do is click on the profile button right here. Then just click on edit profile. Then since we want to optimize our bio, we can click on bio option right here. Then you can type anything you want on your bio. And for example, I'm just going to type like this. Then you can also add another account to your bio, or you can add hashtag, and it's up to you. Like this. And if you want to add your another Instagram account, you just need to type the username like this. Then you can put hashtag, like this, and you can tap anything you want, guys. And after you're done, you can click on this check mark to save your bio. Alright guys, and this is the bio that I have just created, and that's how we can optimize our bio on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.